Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. As the temperatures start to drop, specifically as we start getting closer and closer to that freezing point, one plant in your landscape that you're going to notice is going to start to, most people, they get worried, they think it's going to die out, but it's going through its normal cycle, are going to be your tropicals. These are banana plants. We've got some elephant ears back here we'll show you. And one thing about these plants is they are very heavy as far as being water-based. And when you get these temperatures that get closer to freezing or below, the water inside the plant starts getting really cold and it'll freeze and it starts to kill off the plant. It's perfectly normal. It's the life cycle of the plant. What you need to do, that means it's now time for some maintenance and you got to get some trimming done. Remember, you want to go about 6 inches above the ground and you want to make an angled cut and then just dispose of the yard waste. So as it gets colder outside and you start seeing plants like your tropicals, banana plants, cannas, elephant ears, just various things like that, and you start seeing them wilt up, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. They just need a little bit of maintenance now. We're going to cut them off flush with the ground, and then in about another 4 to 5 months, when summertime gets here, it starts warming up again, they're going to come back to life. So hope this helps. If you got any questions, need any suggestions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.